Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this new Toyota Sienna XSE technology. Now the most notable features on this technology is its DVD player. You also have your navigation system along with your parking sensors. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this new Toyota Sienna XSE technology. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this technology is its daytime running lights. You also have your front parking sensors just located at the very front of the bumper there. And over on the side you have the 20-inch wheels, foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors. And then taking a look on the inside of the mirror, you're going to see your blind spot monitoring indicator. Now with that indicator, it'll actually light up just looking if there is another vehicle right beside you. Now the nice thing is with the technology package is it does offer you the kick assist power sliding rear doors. So all you have to do is just kick underneath where that little sensor is located there, and then it will open up the doors for you automatically. Second row captain seats with the sunshade visors in the second row, and then you also have the DVD player in the back here, which is nice because you can entertain the kids on those long trips. Now, one of the nice things that have been added with the new Sienna is that it has this nice handle that goes from basically from the top all the way down to the bottom, which makes things a little bit easier for people who are a little bit shorter, or if your kids have a little bit of trouble actually getting into the vehicle, they have something actually pretty firm to actually grab onto. Now, if we take a look underneath here, you'll find the close button for the power sliding rear door. And then parents, if you're worried about your kids or possibly yourself getting your hand or arm jammed to the door, it has the jam protection feature, so when the door does sense there's an obstruction in the way, it'll stop closing automatically. And then if you want to close it automatically from the outside, just pull on the handle once more, and it will close for you automatically, or you can use the kick assist feature again. Now the color we're going to be taking a look at today is pre-dawn gray, and taking a closer look now at the front dash as well as the front seats. You have your leather interior with your power driver's seat with lumbar support. Over on the left-hand side, you're going to see your automatic high beams with your heated steering wheel, traction control on and off, and then on the inside of the driver's side door, you have your mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your scroll function as well as the Bluetooth connectivity, voice recognition, volume control, cruise control, lane departure alert, mode select, and seek function. Now, it does offer the push button start, so all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up you automatically. Now, a couple of the controls that you will see on the multi-informational display, or rather options, include your digital speedometer with the distance to empty, fuel economy on here. You can also go through and take a look at your lane departure alert, your compass, audio, trip info, all energy monitor, with the tire pressure monitoring, settings menu with the lane trace assist, pre-collision system, blind spot monitoring on and off, parking sensors on and off, rear cross traffic alert, and a couple of other additional features, and you'll finish with your messages menu. Taking a look at the center dash as well as the touch panel display, you'll see a couple of different features. So if you go inside the menu screen, you'll find your destination audio phone as well as a couple of other additional features. Now, inside the apps menu, it's part of the Entune app suite, so as long as you have it on your phone, you can use such apps as the Slacker app, which allows you to stream your music from your phone onto the touch panel display. You can also check on local fuel prices or on the latest sports scores, just depending on what your preferences are. Now, it does offer you the Sirius XM satellite radio on here, and you have your temperature control settings located down below, with the rear temperature controls located in the center, heated seat controls for your driver and your passenger. As you can see, you have a shelf that extends from your driver's side to the passenger side where you can place smaller items. You'll also find the wireless charging pad here as well, so once you have it turned on, you can just place your phone on top and have it start charging for you, or you can have it connected to the USB. Now, it's mounted to an automatic transmission, and as you can see, you have your EV mode on here as well. Center console will be located just down below here. Now, in the previous gen model, this actually used to be a lot of open space here, but here it actually has a nice armrest, but if you still need some space, there is some storage down below there with a power outlet. Now, up top you're going to see your auto-dimming rear view mirror, and then if you actually take a look, this is actually an an additional camera here as well, and I'll show you where it's actually located later on in the video. But this helps in the event when you're backing into a stall, or if you're driving down the road, you want to see exactly how close somebody is following behind you. Integrated garage or open controls will be located just on the left hand side, and at the very top you'll find the open and close for the power sliding rear doors, the power moonroof controls, power liftgate, SOS safety connect, and then if you take a look at the backup camera, as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you back into a stall. And you can also change up the backup camera view to a more dynamic view, or the traditional backup camera view you're used to. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate, now located on your rear bumper. You're going to see your parking sensors just located right across. On the back of the tailgate, you'll find the backup camera as well as the additional camera for the rear view mirror. And the other nice thing is that you do have the kick assist feature for the power tailgate as well. So if you just kick underneath the rear bumper, it'll open itself automatically. Now, closing in on the rear cargo space, you have a 60-40 split for the third row. So in the event that you need the additional passengers, it's available to you, but you still have plenty of cargo capacity just located down below. And then you have some storage space located on the left-hand side as well. Power outlet is going to be located just on the right-hand side. And then if you're wondering how the seats fold or unfold, the instructions are located just on the back of the seat there. And then when you're all finished up, all you have to do is just push on the back of the tailgate once, and it will close for you automatically, but you can also readjust the height for the tailgate as well. So if you hold down the button for approximately 2 seconds of the height you'd like it at, it'll beep a couple of times, and when you close it and open it again, it'll open up to the height you set it at. Now if you want to reset the height for yourself, hold down the button for more than 4 seconds, it'll beep several times, and when you close it and open it again, it'll open up to this height. A couple of uses for that power tailgate is if you're a little bit shorter, or if your garage is a little bit lower, you can prevent the back of your tailgate from being damaged. Now with the kick assist feature for the power tailgate, you want to make sure you have the key fob on you at all times, because it works in conjunction with your smart key system, so you want to make sure you have it on you at all times. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sbtoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.